Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the lift to wake feature. Okay, so by default it's turned off. So before I actually show you how to turn it on, the lift to wake feature, I'm just going to explain what it is. So the lift to wake feature allows you to turn on the display by simply lifting your phone from a table or removing it from your pocket. Okay, so as you can see, the phone is on the table, and when I lift it up, it does not wake up the display. So to wake up the display, I have to press the power button on the side there to wake it up. But once I turn on the lift to wake option, anytime the display times out and I lift the phone up from off the table, the display will then wake up. Okay, so let's get into the video and I'm going to show you how to turn on lift to wake. So to turn it on, just pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says accessibility features, and then shortcuts and gestures. And here you will see wake screen. So select it and then turn on raise to wake. Okay, so now when the screen turns off and I lift up the phone, as you can see, it wakes up. And this also works if the phone is in your pocket and you take it out. As soon as you take it out, the screen will wake up. So yeah, guys, this was just my video showing you how to turn on lift to wake on the Honor Magic 5 Lite. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one, guys. I'm out. Deuces.